One of the most valuable plants offered by nature, French lavender Lavandula stoechas stands out with its purple flowers and strong aroma. Thriving particularly in the Mediterranean climate, this lavender species has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It provides numerous health benefits, particularly for the nervous system, respiratory tract, and circulatory system. It is well known for its calming effects on the mind, its ability to enhance memory, support the immune system, and facilitate digestion. The fast-paced and stressful conditions of modern life constrain the nervous system, leading to mental fatigue and anxiety disorders. Thanks to its rich content of essential oils, French lavender exerts a soothing and relaxing effect on the nervous system. Drinking a cup of French lavender tea after a stressful and hectic day can help calm the mind and promote relaxation. This plant is also known for its sleep-regulating properties, making it a natural remedy for individuals suffering from insomnia. Additionally, it is believed to help alleviate headaches and migraines, making it a popular choice as a calming herbal tea. French lavender is also highly beneficial for brain health, as it promotes increased blood circulation and enhances oxygen supply to the brain. It is thought to dilate brain vessels, strengthening memory and improving mental clarity. Some studies suggest that French lavender may protect nerve cells, potentially offering defense against neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. As a natural aid, it can support mental performance, boost concentration, and enhance memory. Strengthening the immune system is crucial, especially during the winter months, to protect against colds, flu, and bronchitis. French lavender is highly effective in this regard, as it has decongestant properties and helps fight infections. Due to its expectorant effects, it can ease bronchial congestion, relieve coughing, and clear the sinuses, making breathing easier. Additionally, its antiseptic properties help defend the body against harmful bacteria, contributing to a stronger immune system. French lavender also provides significant benefits for the circulatory system and heart health. By regulating blood flow, it supports vascular health, accelerates circulation, and may help balance blood pressure. Due to its potential blood pressure-lowering effects, it is believed to be particularly beneficial for individuals with hypertension. However, people with low blood pressure should consume it with caution. Its positive effects on the digestive system should not be overlooked either. With its stomach-soothing and digestion-facilitating properties, it can help alleviate issues such as indigestion and bloating. When consumed after meals, it supports bowel movements, aids digestion, and helps relieve gas pains. Known for its calming effects on the digestive system, French lavender can be a natural alternative for those with stomach discomfort. There are various ways to use French lavender. The most common method is brewing it as tea. Adding a few sprigs of French lavender to hot water and steeping it for 5 to 10 minutes results in a flavorful and healthy beverage. It can also be used for steam inhalation therapy, which helps clear the respiratory tract and sinuses. By adding a few sprigs of the plant to boiling water and inhaling the steam, nasal congestion can be relieved, making breathing easier. Additionally, when used as a massage oil, French lavender oil may help relax muscles and alleviate pain. As with all herbal remedies, French lavender should be consumed with awareness and caution. Excessive consumption may cause dizziness, nausea, or a drop in blood pressure. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, individuals with chronic illnesses, and those on regular medication should consult their doctors before consuming it. People taking blood-thinning medications should also be cautious, as French lavender may enhance blood circulation. This valuable plant from nature can offer numerous health benefits when consumed in a conscious and balanced manner. When combined with a healthy diet, regular sleep, and an overall healthy lifestyle, its effects can be even more beneficial. While medicinal herbs can support well-being, it is essential to always practice mindful and responsible consumption.